Welcome back. This is Sandy with Sandy's Organized Chaos, and today I have 8 new colors that I want to showcase to you guys. Now, these colors are available at www.socglitters.com. All of these new colors that I have are a color shift glitter, so that means they flip from one color to another depending on what angle you look at them. You should be able to find them pretty easily in my shop. I mean, I don't have a ton of glitters in there, but I do have them all together in one section called Chaos Colors if you want to check them out. So let's take a look at these glitters. First up is Berry Gray. Now this glitter shifts predominantly between a dark pink / purple and a gray-green color with hints of gold. This is Illusion. Now this shifts predominantly between a purple or a dark purple color and a grayish blue, almost kind of teal, with maybe a little, even some hints of silver in there as well. Now we have Mermaid. Now this color shifts predominantly between a light purple and a darker lavender color. It also has hints of blue, pink, green, and a light gold. Now we have Wicked. Now I know looking at it, it looks blue, but it is not. This is actually a royal purple color, and it switches back and forth between a royal purple and a black. This also has holographic hints of green, red, and blue. Now we have Magic. Now this glitter shifts predominantly between a magenta or a purple color and gold. Now this is quite a stunner when you look at it, because either it looks straight gold or it looks straight magenta, all depending on which angle you look at it. Now we have Peaches and Green. The two main colors are predominantly a peach orange that flip into a golden green color, and this also has hints of a dark pink in it. This is Dragon, and it predominantly shifts between a blue, green, and red, and it has hints of orange and gold in it as well. Absolutely beautiful color. I saved my favorite for last. This one is called Holly Jolly, and this shifts between red and green, and it has hints of gold. It is absolutely a beautiful color, and I can't wait to use it this holiday season. I hope that you guys enjoy these new colors, and I absolutely cannot wait to see what you guys create. Again, those glitters are at www.socglitters.com, and I'll also put it into the description below. I'll see you guys next time.